sorry to hear that.
I'm sorry to hear that. How did that happen?
She was slowing me down.
I'm sick. I don't know how much longer I have. I'm sorry to hear that, Mr. Bond.
I think you were right about George and his father.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I haven't been getting too much sleep. My father's in a lot of pain.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm sorry to hear that, man. Who did it?
Guys we're looking for.
Where's your wife now?
She passed.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Master Cypher Diaz was killed almost 10 years ago.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that.
Did you have a nice nap?
I couldn't sleep.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My husband's brother and his girlfriend, they died in a car accident when Alex was about 6.
Sorry to hear that.
Yes?
Hello, Glenn. How are you?
Chained to a desk.
Sorry to hear that.
I have asked to see you today in order to tender my resignation as Prime Minister.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Mr. Baldwin.
Hi. Oh, hello. Is Mr. Culver here?
He's asleep, not feeling so well. I think it's food poisoning.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Want a beer?
Well, thanks. I had to take some extra meds today.
I'm sorry to hear that. You okay?
There.
What happened to your face?
I smashed into a hill on purpose on my motorcycle.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My father's in jail, sir.
Oh. Well, I'm sorry to hear that, sir. But that doesn't have to be your life.
My wife is having intercourse with someone who is not me.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, thank you. That is very nice of you to say. Very, very nice.